In today's video, let me show you how to fix the status access violation on Google Chrome. So if you come across this issue while using the platform, the first thing that you can immediately do is reset the settings. So what you can do is head over to the three-dotted line on the top right of the screen, head over to settings, and then make sure you head over to reset settings. Now what this option does is it resets some of the settings and Chrome shortcuts, disables any sort of extensions which might be causing this issue, as well as deletes the cookies and other temporary site data. So normally this is what is causing this issue. So you can just click on these reset settings options. Now by alone doing this step, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you can do is just close out this browser and also make sure to log out and then again re-log in. By doing these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.